Hello children, welcome back to Sankalp learning classes. So this is your second revision class, math revision class. Okay, we were discussing about arithmetic progression, right? So in previous class we discussed about one mark question and 2 marks question. So in this class we are going to discuss about 3 mark questions. Okay, so all of you be ready with your textbook and notebook and pen. Okay. So please note down all the problems because all these are very important for your final exam. All these are most repeated questions. Okay. So what I'm giving you now, all these are repeated questions. So note down in your book and practice. So all of you know how to find out the AN or D first term and common difference, right? So let us see the first question. So check whether minus 150 is a term. So they have given AP 11, 8, 5, 2, so on. See, what is the question? Is minus 30 a term of this given AP? ಇದು minus 150 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. See, right, what is given, children? So what is given here? If you know the answer, you can put your answers in the chat box. Do it fast. So A is equal to 11 first term. And what is D? D is A2 minus A1. That is equal to A2 is 8. Don't try. Already I have told you, don't write the answers directly. 11 minus 8 or 8 minus 5 ಅಂತ direct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. So, because we are doing A2 minus A1. 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Right, and what is given? What is this minus 150? So take minus 150 as AN, last number. So take it as AN, children. Okay, so we are checking whether it comes in the sequence or not. So what is the formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just substitute the values. AN is minus 150, A is 11, N write as it is, difference is minus 3. Write minus 150. So take this 11 to left hand side. Minus 150. Once again, can we, once again. We get 161. Yes. You do one thing, you keep this as it is. Minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus into minus is plus 3n. That is equal to minus 150. Then minus 3n. 11 plus 3 is 14, right? Minus 150. Take this 14 to left hand side, it becomes minus 14. That is equal to minus 3n. And now it becomes minus 164 is equal to minus 3n, right? Minus minus will cancel. So 164 by 3. 3 5s 15, 3 4s 12, 3 6. So we are getting fraction or decimal number, right now. See, usually how do we get? We get the whole number. Alva namge whole number barbeku. Correcta? Whether it is 9th term or 10th, 11th, 12th, we had to get a whole number. But here we are getting fraction form. So we can say that minus 150 it is not there in the sequence or arithmetic progression. Got it? And next question. Second question is, find the 31st term. Find the 31st term means what? A31 is equal to question mark. And what is given? 11th term is, see, A11 is given. 11th term is 38. And 16th term, that is A16, is equal to 73. So you have to find out A31. See, if the problem is like this, ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A11 is given, A16 is given. See, how will you write A11? So A11 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is A plus 10D. You should know to write like this, children. Already I have told you, right? No? So A9 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so A plus AD, right? No? Just to reduce one number. Because first number ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ D ಬರಲ್ಲ. It has only A. So second number is A plus D ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಒಂದು D ನ ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And how will you write A16? It is A plus 15D. That is equal to 73. Right now? So we have two equations here. Just solve the equation. You know how to solve the equations right now. Here we have AA. So just subtract the second equation from 1. So we can cancel A and minus A. Then plus 10. So you have to consider this minus sign. So it is plus minus means you have to subtract. So big number has minus sign. So it is minus D is equal to minus 73, right? 73 is big number. So minus ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Big number ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So minus plus ಇದೆ. You have to subtract 5. It is 6. Big number has minus sign. So it is minus 35. Right, children? So D is, you can put the answers in the chat box. Do it fast. So minus minus will cancel. 5 sevens. So D value is 7. So we got the D value right now. Just substitute this value in one of the equations. See, I will take the first equation, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A plus 10 into, see 10D means it is 10 into 7 is equal to 38. That is equal to, write 38 as it is. Take this to right hand side. So it becomes 10 into 7 is 70 plus 70 becomes minus 70. That is equal to, children. See what is 70 minus 70 plus 38. That is 32 minus 32. The value of A is minus 32. D is 7. Now we can find the value of A31. Right? I will write once again. A31 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we are finding A31. What is A here? We got minus 32. What is N? So which number you are finding? Which term? Yaudana find out matadu? 31. So it is 31 minus 1, 30, and D is 7. Write minus 32 plus 7 3 is 21. That is equal to 871. So A31, 31st term is 178. So this is your answer. It is very easy, children. Just what is given. So according to that, you frame the equations and solve the equations. You will get the value of A. So yaudana find out, yav term na find out madbeko. Adanna by using the formula, you find it. Okay. Next question. Okay, you try this question, children. Third term is given. So A3 is given. You do it and tell me the answer fast. A3 is equal to 4 and A9. That is ninth term is minus 8. And which term of this AP is equal to 0? Which term will be 0. Okay, do it fast. So get the two equation for these two. So A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 4. A9 can be written as A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So solve the equations. See here we have minus sign, change it into plus sign. If there is minus, it becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So cancel these two. So 2 minus 8. See minus 8 plus 2. It is minus 6. Minus 6D is equal to plus 8 plus 4. It is 12. So value of D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6. That is equal to minus 2. The value of D is minus 2. Now find the value of A. Take the first equation, children. A plus, did you get the answer? Come on, do fast, children. A plus D is equal to 4. A is equal to 2 into minus 2, use brackets, is equal to 4. So plus into minus is minus. A is equal to, it becomes plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Yes. So now we have to find which term will be 0. So 0, take this as an. Okay. Take an is equal to 0. Then you will get which term will be 0. ಯಾವ term? ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. See, the values are decreasing here. A3 is 4, A9 is minus 8. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0 ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 0. So let 0 be the last term of the AP. Okay. So A is to the 8 and n we don't know. We have to find out. D is minus 2 is equal to 8. Minus 2 into n is minus 2n. Minus into minus is plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. Or we can write 10 is equal to 2n, right? No? So, then n is equal to 5. So, fifth term is 0. Okay. So, fifth term, andre in between these two, baratalva. Fifth term is A5 is 0. N is equal to 5, right? Got it, children? Next question is, three, 15, 27, 39, so on. So 132 more than 132 more than its 54th term. 54th term. So understand the question properly. Which term of this AP? So ಈ sequence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ, ಸೊ 54th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗಿಂತ 132 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. 50. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ 54th ಟರ್ಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ 54th ಟರ್ಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಆಡ್ ಒನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 132 ಮೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ will be that number anta. Okay. First you find, okay, just do it fast and tell me the answer, which is 54, A54. Write what are given. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. Then A54 is equal to question mark. What is this 54? That is n, right now. Tell me the answer. I'm writing here. Find A54, children. I will write directly A plus n minus 1. N is 54. N minus 1 into D is 12. That is equal to 3 plus 36 and 63. That is equal to 639. What is 639? It is A54. 54th term ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So 132 more ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Just add 32 to the number. So it is 777. So which term is it? ಎಷ್ಟನೇ term 771 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is this 771? Take this as an. Last term ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Are you understanding the problem? So A54 ಬಂದಿದೆ 639. So 132 more than this term ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So we are added 132. So we have got 771. So take this as an and the last number. Now we are finding n. Which term will be 771? Okay. So write the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is 771. A is 3. N, we don't know, write as it is. And D, 12. Write the same thing, children. But here we are not substituting n because we are finding it. 54 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. 771. So can you... Okay, we can divide by 3. Sorry. Excuse me. 3, 2, 6. 7s, right now. So we get 257 and take this 12 to denominator. Sorry, one second. I made a mistake. It is not by, right now. So see, we should not take this to denominator because there is plus 3 plus there. So we have to subtract, right now. If we subtract, what do we get? Yes. N minus 1 into 12. So it is 768, right now. See, now there is into multiplication sign between n minus 1 and 12. Take this to denominator, that is equal to n minus 1. So now we can divide 768 by 12. 12, 6. So 4 is remainder. So 64. So n minus 1 is 64, right? N minus 1 is 64. So then n is equal to 65. So 65th, 65th term is 771. Okay. That is your answer. We'll go to the next question. Yes, next question is, how many multiples of 4? How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? Okay. How many multiples of 4 come between 10 and 250? See, multiples, you know, multiples of 4. What are multiples? Just 4, 8, 12, 16. These are multiples of 4. So you have to start from 10. 10 means which is the first one? 8. You have to start from 12. Right now, just write the multiples, children. Just take first 3 multiples, 12, 20, 24, so on. So you can take the last multiple, which is till 250. Is 250 divisible by 4? No. 250 is not divisible, right? No. So 49 is not divisible. So we can take 248. Right, children? Take the last number also, that is 248. Now, right, what is first term here? 12. What is common difference? 16 minus 12. It is 4. And what is this? 248. It is last number. An is equal to 248. Now, find out how many terms are there ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? It is 248. A is 12. We don't know the value of n, write as it is. N is equal to 4. Then 248 minus 12. So don't take this to denominator. It is minus 12. 4n minus 4. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. 3, 2, that is equal to 1 second, children. Don't write this as it is. N minus 1 into 4. Then take this 4 to denominator, n minus 1. 4 5s 20, 4 9s. So n minus 1. So n is equal to 59 plus 1, that is equal to 60. There are 60 multiples between 10 and 250. Right, children? The problems are very easy. Okay, see, arithmetic progression is very easy. Okay, ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. Okay, see, easily you can score the marks in this chapter, right? And next question. See, they have given sum of 4th and 8th term. See, sum of 4th and 8th term ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Sum of 4th term and 8th term. Got it, children? It is question number 18. Okay, I'll tell you the exercise. One second. Exercise 5.2. I'm sorry, first chapter, 1.2, 18th question. Okay. So sum of 4th and 8th terms is equal to 24, and sum of 6th term and 10th term is equal to 44. Find the first 3 terms. Okay. Find first 3 terms means A2 is equal to question mark A2, A1, A3. Find the first 3 terms. See, what is given? A4 plus A8 is given, right? No. So how will you write A4? It is A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. That is very easy, right? So in the same way, how will you write this? A plus 5D plus, just we are adding it, right? Alma, that's it. ಆಗಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನಾವು they have given 2 terms, so that is equal to 44. Then AA is equal to 2A, 3D plus 7D, it is 10D, that is equal to 24. Here also A plus A is 2A, 5 plus 6D, it is 11D, is equal to 44. So it is 9, no? Sorry, 9D, it is 14. Okay, now see, we have 2, 10, 24. You can take the common factor. Which common factor can you take here? 2. right? See here also you can ಈ ಕಡೆ left hand side ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು, right hand side ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. So you can write directly a plus 2 5s 10 and 2 1s 2 2s. So here 2 2 will be cancelled. Left hand side, right hand side cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So no need to write. This is equation 1. And here also take 2 as common factor. A plus we have 14 here, 2 7s 14 and 2 2s 2 2s. Right now call this equation 2. A plus 7d is equal to 22. A plus 5d is equal to 12. Now subtract the equations. See, A will cancel. 7 minus 5 is 2d, that is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. D is equal to 10 minus 10 by 2 is 5. So value of D is 5. And now find the value of A. So substitute the value of D in one of the equations. So I will take A plus 7D is equal to 22. Take A plus 7D is equal to 22. A plus 7 into, I will write directly, 7 into 5 is 35. That is equal to 22. 22, so 35 becomes minus 35. 22 minus 22 minus 35. That is 7, sorry, 3 and 1. Yes. A is equal to minus 13. A is equal to 5 and first term is minus 13. So now you have to find out A2. How will you find A2? It is A plus D. The first term is minus 13 and D is 5. So subtract 5 antadre we get minus 8. Minus 8 is the second number and third number is minus 8 plus 5. That is minus 3. So which are the three numbers? First term is minus 13, second number is minus 8 and third number is minus 3. Okay, these are the three terms. So like this we have to solve the problems. Next question. Same exercise, 20th problem. So Ramkali saved rupees 5. Rupees 5 in the first week. Okay, Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week and it has increased her weekly savings by 1 point. Increased by. So it is increased by ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ 1.75 ಅಷ್ಟು increase ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay, so 1.75 and if nth week, see her amount will become rupees 20.75. Okay, then you have to find n. See, understand the question properly. See, Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week. First week ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 rupees save ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಹರ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ 5 rupees ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, 5 rupeesಗೆ 1.75 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಲು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಲು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹರ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 20.75 rupees. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೀಕ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೀಕ್ಸ್ it will become 20.75 rupees anta. Okay. So first initially she had 5 rupees. Alba. So first term, take first term as 5. And what is D? Est increase ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ 1 point. So directly you can take this as D. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So 1.5, 1.5 is increasing. Then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. Then we had to find out n. What is this 20.75? Take this as AN. Old amount ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 20.75 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So take this as AN. So n is equal to question mark. Did you understand the question, children? So ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Now write AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we are finding the number of weeks. Substitute the values. 20.75, A is equal to 5, n minus 1 into 1.75. Now 20.75, take this 5 to left hand side, n minus 1 into 1.75. So be careful while subtracting the numbers. We are subtracting only 5. That is whole number. Don't write below 5. That is whole number. So write 15.75. And I will take this 1.75 to denominator, n minus 1. So now, see we have after the decimal point, we have 2 digits here also. We have 2 digits. So you can cancel, you can remove the decimal point directly, children. You understood, right? After the decimal point, we have 2 digits. Suppose if you write 1575 by 100, in denominator 17 by 500. Okay, I will show you here. If you write 175 by 100 and denominator 175 by 100, you can cancel 100, 100, right? No. So instead of that, we can write directly 1575 by 175. See, number of decimal places are same in both numerator and denominator, right? No. So you can write directly. See how many times it is divisible. 175 into 9, I think. 9 5 is 45. 67 and 15. Yes, exactly. It divides 9 times. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. Take this minus 2 left hand side. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. Okay. So n is equal to 10. So 10 weeks her amount will become 20.75 rupees. Got it, children? So next you will have problems on sum of the terms. Exercise 1.3. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And we have one more formula. Formula means in place of, so I told you, no, 2a, split it as a plus n minus 1 into d. You can write either a, n or l. Okay. Let us see the problem on this. A is equal to A 7 and A 13 is equal to 35. Okay. So A 13 is equal, what is this 13 here? It is N. N is equal to 13. So what do you have to find out here? You have to find out sum of 13 terms. Okay. Sum of 13 terms. So find D and 13 terms, sum of 13 terms ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, you know the formula, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into, since they have given the last term, n is 13, we are finding 13 and here also it is 13th term. You can write the formula A plus L. So S13 is equal to, what is n? It is 13 by 2 into A is 7 and the last term or AN is 35, right? So 13 by 2 into, what is 7 plus 35? That is 42. So we can cancel 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones. So 13 ones, 13, 26 plus 1, it is 27. So 273 is the answer. So sum of 13 terms ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 273. So if you want to find D value ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, right, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A13 is given right now. A13 is 35 is equal to A is 7 plus N is 13 minus 1. I will write directly D. So take the 7 to left hand side. 35 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is, that is 28. 28. 28 is equal to 12D. So 28 by 12, that is equal to D. So we can simplify by 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 7. So D is equal to 7 by 3 or 3 to 6 is 2.3 or 7 by 3. Okay. Got it, children? So this is a problem on SN, sum of n terms. And next question is, they have given A3. This is in third question, sub question number 4. Third question 1.3. Third question, sub question number 4. So A3 is given. A3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. So you have to find out A10, 10th term is equal to question mark. Okay. So A3 is given and S10 is given. See, how will you write A3? A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 15. Right, children? So here they have given S10. So how will you write this? So here also ನಾವು equation na ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. How to get the equation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, S10 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus r. We can write 10 alva. We don't know the 10th term. So we have to write the formula only. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is given, it is 125. And what is this 10? It is n. So n is equal to 10. 10 by 2. 2 into a. We don't know value of a, right, as it is. N minus 1 is 9d. So we can cancel 2's. So 125 by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Correct? Now 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 fives. So this 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So take the equation, children. Call this equation 1 and 2a plus 9d, that is equal to 25. Call this equation number 2. Now both ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, now write 2a plus 9d is equal to 25 and a plus 2d is equal to 15. See, to solve the equation, see, In previous problems, we were cancelling the terms A directly. But here, the coefficients of A are different. See, here it is, a coefficient of A is 2, coefficient of A is 1. Right now, so we cannot cancel the term A. A na ನಾವು cancel ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So what we have to do, we have to make them equal, make the coefficients same, equal. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Just multiply the second equation by 2. Multiply the whole equation by 2. See, I will write here. Yes. 2a plus first equation write as it is, and second equation becomes 2a plus 4d is equal to 15 into 2, that is 30. Now subtract the lower terms, minus minus minus, 2a get cancelled. 9 minus 4 is 5d, that is equal to minus 5. So d is equal to minus 5 by 5, nimge 1 baratte. Correct? So d is equal to minus 1, and we don't know the value of a also. We have to find a. So take this equation. A plus 2d is equal to 15. So a plus 2 into minus 1, use bracket because it is minus sign. So a is equal to, write this 15 as it is. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So transpose to right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So a is equal to 17. Yes. D is equal to minus 1, A is equal to 17. Now we have to find out A10, right? So A10 is equal to A plus, I will write directly, N minus 1 is 9, D antandre minus 1 is equal to 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. So A10 is equal to 8. Got it, children? Yes, next problem. 1.37 question. Find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of means, write S22 is equal to question mark. Okay. So D is given. D is equal to 7. And 22nd term is given. What is 22nd term? That is A22 is equal to 149. It is very important, most repeated question, children. See, what is the question? A22 and the A22nd term kottidare. D is given. You have to find out S22. Okay. So use the formula. AN is equal to, so we don't have A here, yavdu illa, nimu direct agi SN formula we can't use directly. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN antandre eno, take this as AN, A22. So N is equal to 22. Correct? AN antandre A22 is 149. A we don't know. Right, N minus 1, that is 21. N is equal to 22. 22 minus 1 is 21 and D is 7. So here we get the value of A. 149, take this to left hand side, 717, 14 baratte. So 147 baratte, correct? So minus 147, that is equal to 2. The value of A is 2. Now use SN formula. Okay, so S22, we have to find the sum of 22 terms, right? So what is the formula? N by 2 into A plus, can we use AN? Yes, because we have last term, that is 149. So S22 is equal to N is 22 by 2, A is 2, and AN is 149. So 2 ones, 2 11s, cancel the numbers into, that is 151. So 11 ones 11, 55, 56, 11 and 1 6. This is your answer. 1661 is sum of 22 terms in the given progression. Okay, children. So like this, just that's very easy. Just write what is given in the question, what you are going to find out. We have only two formulae in this chapter. One is AN and SN. Aste, and you should know to simplify the and the steps correct agi ಮಾಡಬೇಕು when you had to subtract while transposing. Very important. So transpose ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ minus ಆಗತ್ತಾ divide ಆಗತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here, for example, your ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ into ಇದೆ. If you are transposing 22 left hand side andre it comes to denominator. If you have plus sign between the terms, right now, see here, see I have written minus 147 right now. See there is a plus 147 alva. A plus 147 andre it becomes minus 147, denominator ge baralla. When it comes to denominator, if it is, see here, if it is 7a, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಚಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, it is also very important and repeated question. So same exercise, 11th question. This, if the sum of first n terms, sum of nth terms ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That is SN. See, which is SN, which is AN, you should know that sum ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ sum of n terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ SN and nth term ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AN. Okay, so the question is the sum of first n terms ಅಂತಿದೆ, so I have written SN. So they have given 4n minus. So ಈ ತರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Sometimes they give to for 1 mark ಅಂದ್ರೆ to find first term, second term, third term find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 4n minus n square. 1 second. Yes. 4n minus n square. What is the first term? So you have to find out a1, a3, a10 and an also. You have to find all the terms. Yes, let us see how to find out. See, I will write first. See, before that I will tell you, S1 is nothing but, see, sum of the terms anta, alva. So A1 baratte. See, what is S2? Sum of first two terms is S2 anta. S2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sum of first two terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1 plus A2. What is S3? So just ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, A1 plus A2 plus A3 first three terms add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that is S3 ಅಂತ. Okay children, so first, so ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ first term ನಿಮ್ಗೆ SN and A1 both are same ಅಲ್ವಾ. Now we are adding the first term ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The first term itself, right? No, so first find out S1. So wherever you have n, substitute 1, 1 square, that is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is this? What is S1? It is also A1. So we got the first term. A1 is equal to 3. Now find out S2. See, substitute 2 in place of n. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s 4, that is equal to 4. That is equal to A2. Correct? Sorry, not A2. Sorry, it is 4. Okay, now we have S2 and S1. See, if I do S2 minus S1, which term will I get? Which term will you get if you do S2 minus S1? Just you see here. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. What is S2? A1 plus A2. What is S1? See, minus A1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ which term you are getting? A2. So what I will do, S2 minus S1 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. That is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. What is this? A2. Got it? We have A1 and A2. So easily you can find D. Alva? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to minus 2. D is, see, we are getting all the terms. Alva? See, understand this, children. Sn antandre A1. S2 is nothing but sum of first and second term. First two terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1 plus A2 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ S2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we are subtracting S1 from S2. So A1 cancel ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is A2. A2 ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So we have A1 and A2. Find D. D is equal to minus 2. Okay. So now we have to find out ಏನ್ find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. nth term find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So write AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We don't know AN, right, as it is. What is A? First term is 3. N minus 1 into D is minus 2. So AN is equal to, see, right, 3 simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. See, minus 2N plus 2, that is equal to AN is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2N. See, this is the equation. Keep this. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. Now we have to find out A3. So ಈಗ ನಾವು A3 ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A3 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to 5 minus 6, that is equal to minus 1. So we have to find out A10 also. Use the same equation. ಇದೇ equation ನ use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು, this is only AN, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So A10 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5 minus 2N ಇದೆ, 2 into 10. So 5 minus 20, that is equal to 15. Okay, children. So like this you have to find the numbers. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So nth term ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. Just you write the formula, substitute the value, get the equation. ನಮಗೆ equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ number ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ confuse ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. It is the equation only. 5 minus 2N and then get A3 and A10. Got it, children? So you have only one problem. Will you practice this, children? I'll tell you word sums ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Sum of 16th problem. You practice this. Okay, or I will do it first. Wait. Okay, in the same 16th sum, word sum, the sum of 700 is to be distributed as cash prizes, 7 cash prizes, right now. And each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. Okay. See what is given. So total sum is 700. So 7 cash prizes there. So S7 is equal to 700. So N is equal to 7 baratte. And difference is, see what is difference andre? It is 20 less than anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I will find it later. Okay, so you have to find the cash price for each one. And the first, second, third price ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ, 7 prizes ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here I will take first prize P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. And the second prize B, see what is second prize here? Second prize is 20 less than the first prize. We have taken this as P and take this as P minus 20. 20 less ide, so minus 20 ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. And third prize will be, so next P minus 20 ide, then it is P minus 20, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ minus 20. So ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 20 less ಇದೆ. So how much is it? P minus 40. Got it, children? That is enough. See, we should know the first term. Which is the first term here? P. What is D here? that is P2, A2 minus A1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ P minus 20 minus P. So minus P will cancel. D is equal to minus 20. Did you understand this? First price ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿಂತ 20 ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ P minus 20. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 20 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ P minus 20 minus 20. That is P minus 40. So other two ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ. We have P and D and N and SN. So what do you have to find out? We have to find out the first cash price ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, ಏನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First cash price ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ you can write the remaining prices right now. So how to find A? So write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? S7 is given, it is 700. So n is equal to 7 by 2. 2 into a, right as it is. N is 7 alva. 7 members, 7 cash prizes. So 6 into d is minus 20. Use brackets, children. Artha aita ishtu? Now, so I will take this 7. Nodi link to ide alva. So take this 7 to denominator. Okay. So 700 by 1 by 2 na alle itkolana because alli cancel enadru madakadre hage itkolli. Or noted 2a, this is minus 120. Right, children? So it becomes 100. So 100 is equal to, see 2a by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 1 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? See into ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2a by 2 is 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Put minus sign. 120 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 60 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Take the 60 to left hand side. So it is 160. See the first cash price is 160. Right, children? I will write here. The first cash price is 160 and second price 20 less than the first antande 140 and third price 120 and 180 total 7 alva 1 2 3 4 5 20 less than the 60 20 less than the 40. So total 7 members they have distributed the cash prices like this. Okay, children, see, practice all these sums whatever I have given in this chapter. Okay, and practice remaining word sums also. Okay, definitely nimge idralli marks bande baratte. Okay, so total 8 or 9 marks right now. So thank you, children. Practice, keep practicing. We'll continue in the